Greetings everyone, and thank you for joining us cruisers for another Cruise Hive news updates. We continue our week with a further 5 news stories as an overboard situation on Norwegian Cruise Line ship. We have Carnival announces short sailings for XL class. Also, injured passenger sues Royal Caribbean after broke waterslide, as well as 2 cruise guests perish during port visit, and Mustang plane gives Carnival a send-off. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. The UK's port of Dover bid farewell to Carnival Miracle on August the 10th as she ended her inaugural summer season from the southeast England home port. Guests enjoyed a special send-off, a World War II-era 1944 Mustang soaring over the white cliffs of Dover during departure. The 2,100-guest ship began sailing from Dover in May on British Isles, Scandinavia, Baltic and Northern Europe itineraries. She is now on a 15-day repositioning cruise to Rome, where she will operate voyages to Greece and Turkey through early November before crossing the Atlantic to Tampa in Florida on November the 8th. Carnival Cruise Line will introduce 4- and 5-night cruises aboard its XL class ship Mardi Gras from Port Canaveral starting May 22nd, 2027, coinciding with the arrival of Carnival Festival. The first 5-night voyage visits Celebration Key, Relaxaway Half Moon Cay and Nassau, while the first 4-night sailings depart May 25th, 2027 for Memorial Day weekend, visiting Celebration Key and Relaxaway Half Moon Cay. Carnival Celebration will continue 7-night Caribbean cruises from Port Miami. These changes are part of Carnival's annual Dancing of the Ships, with more deployment announcements expected soon. On August the 7th, a passenger aboard Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas was injured while riding the frightening boat Waterslide, the tallest at sea at 46 feet. Midway through the ride, an acrylic glass section broke away, causing water to gush onto loungers below. While the guest did not fall from the slide, he sustained lacerations from his legs to his hands. He received immediate treatment from the ship's medical team before disembarking in Miami on August the 9th. On August the 11th, the passenger announced he was seeking legal advice and planned to sue the cruise line. The slide remains closed on both Icon of the Seas and the new Star of the Seas as investigations and repairs continue. Tragedy struck at Saroniko Beach in Milos in Greece on August the 8th, when a 64-year-old Vietnamese woman and her 65-year-old husband drowned after being swept into rough waters by strong 50 miles per hour winds. The woman reportedly lost her balance while taking a selfie, and her husband was pulled in while trying to save her. The couple had likely been sailing aboard Celestial Journey on a 7-night idyllic Greece itinerary. Their bodies were recovered with help from private boats and a diver. Authorities have not released their identities. On August the 12th, a passenger reportedly went overboard from Norwegian Cruise Line's Norwegian Star while the ship was sailing north of Newfoundland in Canada en route to Nuuk in Greenland. A Code Oscar man overboard alert was issued early in the morning and lifeboats were reportedly deployed. The incident occurred during day 6 of a 40-night voyage from New York to Reykjavik. The Norwegian Star had departed Corner Brook in Newfoundland the previous day. Water temperatures in the North Atlantic remain near freezing, leaving limited survival time. Keep checking on cruisehive.com for further details. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.